Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a surface burner knob on your range. The reason why you might have to do this is because the knob is damaged or lost. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So these are our control knobs on this model of the stove. To remove them, you're going to want to just pull it straight out. For the purposes of this demonstration, we don't have any broken knobs, but we'll pretend this one's broken. So we'll pull that off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement burner knob. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So as you can see here on the back of this knob, it's got a bit of an oval shape with a small protrusion right there. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you line up this oval shape right here. You see this round side right here. If you put it on upside down, it won't fit. But if you put it on the correct way with that round little protrusion with the round cutout hole there, it fits nice and perfect and works just like that. Obviously this doesn't match, but we're just showing for demonstration purposes, or if you just want to add a little bit of character to your oven. So now that we're done replacing our knob, here's a nice joke for you. What kind of drink do they serve at a bakery? Baking soda. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.